Good morning, class 6. Myself, Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the fifth video lecture of the chapter Component of Food. In last video, we have discussed about the deficiency disease caused due to lack of protein and lack of carbohydrate. At the end of the chapter, I have provided you a chart. In that chart I have given you, means it was mentioned in the chart that different vitamins, what are the disease that it cause, and the symptoms, means lachan. So in that I have provided you, I will provide it now itself in this video also. You will get this. I will just explain once again. Vitamin A, lack of vitamin A leads to night blindness, and this night blindness means, what are the symptoms? Symptoms means loss of vision, देखने में कमजोरी, especially during night, and if it is not treated properly, it may leads to complete means blindness. So this is due to lack of vitamin A. Due to lack of vitamin B1, disease cause is beriberi, and in this disease the weak muscles are weak and very less energy to do any work. So these are the symptoms of vitamin B1, means lack of vitamin B1 in your food. Next is vitamin C. Lack of vitamin C leads to a disease called scurvy. What is scurvy? In this scurvy, the bleeding gums, मसूड़ों से खून आएगा, and it will take longer time for the wounds to heal. अगर कोई घाव हो गया है तो घाव को ठीक होने में ज़्यादा समय लगेगा. So this is due to vitamin C. Vitamin D leads to disease called rickets, and in this disease the bones and teeth become very weak and it will start decaying. So these are the symptoms of lack of vitamin D. Lack of vitamin D, the bones will bend. These are the symptoms. It is mentioned in the box also, means in the table also. Lack of vitamin means lack of calcium. Calcium is essential for proper functioning or proper growth of the bones and teeth. So again, the lack of calcium, it will leads to decay of bones and teeth. Next is lack of iodine. Iodine, if it is lacking in your food, it will leads to क्या होगा? The gland present in the neck will swell, फूल जाएगा. This is called goiter, and it happens means what happens? Symptom of goiter is swelling in the neck, and if iodine is not sufficiently provided to the pregnant lady, the baby born will be mentally retarded, means दिमाग से वो थोड़ा कमजोर होगा. This happens due to lack of iodine. Lack of iron leads to anemia, means हम लोग ऐसा जानते हैं आयरन के मदद से ब्लड बनता है हमारे बॉडी में. So if there is lack of iron in your body, there will be less blood, red blood cell will be formed, and this condition is called anemia. And in this condition the person will be weak, means very less energy to do work. So it is already there in the table, you will see in this. And still if anyone have any problem to understand the table, I will provide today also. So if anyone have any problem, you are free to ask any time. Okay, some small, very small topic is missed, means I have to explain that. Malnutrition. What is malnutrition? Means the problem that happens in the body due to deficiency of nutrient is called malnutrition. Means lack of nutrient in your body is called malnutrition. So malnutrition, you don't get confused. It is the same that deficiency of disease, deficiency of nutrient. So if someone asks you, write the disease due to malnutrition of vitamin A, you will say night blindness. And if I ask you, write the disease caused due to deficiency of vitamin A, again night blindness. So if someone says malnutrition or deficiency, both are the same. Sometimes in book it is mentioned malnutrition. So don't confuse, means don't get confused. Next is a disease that is caused due to lack of protein. प्रोटीन की कमी के कारण जब बच्चों में एक डिजीज होता है उसको बोलते हैं क्वासियोरकर. And a disease that is caused due to lack of protein as well as carbohydrate in children is called marasmus. These two disease name you will remember, Kwashiorkor and marasmus, and you will note it down that Kwashiorkor is due to lack of protein and marasmus is due to lack of protein as well as carbohydrate. These 2 points I missed, so I thought it's better to explain. So Kwashiorkor is a disease which occurs, होता है in children, ये छोटे छोटे बच्चों में होता है, due to protein deficiency. Means अगर छोटे बच्चों के फूड में प्रोटीन की डिफिशियंसी ज्यादा दिन तक रहेगी तो जो डिजीज होगा उसको बोलेंगे क्वासियोरकर. नेक्स्ट इज मैरास्मस, MARASMUS. Marasmus is a disease which occurs due to deficiency of protein as well as carbohydrate in children. मीन्स छोटे बच्चों के बॉडी में जब प्रोटीन और कार्बोहाइड्रेट दोनों की कमी होती है तो उस डिजीज को कहते हैं मैरास्मस. सो विद दिस चैप्टर इज ओवर, वी विल डिस्कस एक्सरसाइज. So I am going to discuss exercise. First question. Name the major nutrients of our food. That I am not going to say. Okay, I will say. Major nutrient of the food is carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, minerals, and carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals. These are the essential nutrients that we get from the food. Next is the nutrient which mainly give energy to our body is called carbohydrate. So question number 2, A, carbohydrate. B, the nutrients that are needed for the growth and the maintenance of our body is protein. So the answer of second question means second question, A is carbohydrate, B is protein. Question number 3, a vitamin required for maintaining eyesight, मतलब आँख की रोशनी के लिए कौन सा विटामिन? अभी तो बताए विटामिन A. C, vitamin A. D, a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. हड्डी को मजबूत रखने के लिए तो आप विटामिन डी नहीं बोलिएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मिनरल्स बोल रहा है, विटामिन नहीं। सो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मिनरल्स देन इट इज कैल्शियम। सो नेक्स्ट इज नेम टू फूड विच रिच टू फूड्स ईच रिच इन फॉलोइंग। अब फूड फैट्स में कौन रिच है? फर्स्ट फॉर फैट्स कौन सा फूड जो है वो फैट में रिच है? तो बटर, घी, चीज, व्हाटएवर यू वांट। बी स्टार्च। सो कौन सा फूड आइटम स्टार्च में रिच है? राइस, पोटैटो। नेक्स्ट इज डाइटरी फाइबर। डाइटरी मतलब डाइट में, हमारे डाइट में पाया जाने वाला फाइबर किसमें है? एप्पल, कैरट। टू एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग you choose your example, I am giving my example. Okay, next is protein. Pulses, egg, fish, meat, whatever you want. So question number 3. Question number 4. By eating rice alone we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. भाई क्या कह रहा है? क्या राइस खाने से, चावल खाने से हमारे बॉडी का सारा न्यूट्रिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल हो जाएगा? मतलब सिर्फ राइस खाने से हमको सारा न्यूट्रिएंट मिल जाएगा? नहीं, राइस से हमको स्टार्च मिल सकता है, कुछ फाइबर मिल सकता है, बट सारा न्यूट्रिएंट नहीं मिलेगा। सो फर्स्ट नो। सेकेंड, डिफिशियंसी डिजीज कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड बाय ईटिंग ए बैलेंस्ड डाइट। हाँ, अगर किसी के बॉडी में डिफिशियंसी डिजीज है, किसी को नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस का लक्षण है, मतलब उसको देखने में दिक्कत हो रहा है, डॉक्टर के पास गए तो डॉक्टर बोले कि क्या करें, वो आप गाजर खाइए, हरा सब्जी खाइए, लीफी वेजिटेबल खाइए। तो अगर वो बैलेंस्ड डाइट खाते हैं तो डिफिशियंसी डिजीज क्योर हो जाएगा, क्योंकि डिफिशियंसी डिजीज is due to lack of nutrient. If your body is having sufficient nutrient and in right amount, there won't be any deficiency disease. So second, true means sahi. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food. हाँ, हम लोग को अलग अलग वेराइटी ऑफ फूड खाना चाहिए फॉर बैलेंस डाइट। हमको सीजनल फ्रूट्स भी खाने चाहिए, वेजिटेबल्स भी खाने चाहिए, मिल्क प्रोडक्ट भी हमको खाना चाहिए। इफ यू आर नॉन वेजिटेरियन यू कैन गो फॉर एग, फिश, चिकन, एंड इफ यू आर वेजिटेरियन you can go for soybean, you can go for pulses, you can go for paneer to requirement of protein is fulfilled. So you should include dietary fibers, you should apple should be there, carrot, सलाद खाना चाहिए, sufficient amount में वाटर पीना चाहिए। तो क्या सारा चीज इंक्लूड होना चाहिए? तो सारा चीज इंक्लूड करने के लिए हमको डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फूड खाना पड़ेगा। So answer is true. D. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all the nutrient of to the body. क्या सिर्फ मीट खाने से सारा न्यूट्रिएंट मिल जाएगा? नहीं, सिर्फ मीट खाने से, हाँ मीट खाने से हमको बहुत न्यूट्रिएंट मिलता है, मगर सारा नहीं मिलता है। सारा खाने के लिए हमको और सब भी खाना होगा। So answer will be no. Question number 5. Dash is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. विटामिन डी की कमी से कौन सा डिजीज होता है? रिकेट्स। So first will be RICKETS. Rickets. Deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. किस चीज के कमी से हमको एक डिजीज होता है जिसको हम लोग बेरी कहते हैं? That is due to vitamin B1 C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. विटामिन सी के कारण कौन सा डिजीज होता है? स्कर्वी. डी. लास्ट क्वेश्चन. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our food. किस चीज की कमी से होता है? विटामिन ए. विटामिन ए. So lack of means ricket is happening, means ricket is a deficiency disease due to lack of vitamin D. Beriberi is caused due to lack of vitamin B1. Scurvy is caused due to lack of vitamin C, and vitamin A, if it is deficient in your food, it will leads to night blindness. With this we have completed the second chapter. From my side, not from your side. You are always welcome to ask whenever you feel free. जब भी आपको पूछना है, जितना भी पूछना है, you are free to ask. Okay? So it is over from my side, not from your side. You are welcome more than enough. आप जितना बात पूछ सकते हैं पूछिए, no problem, no दिक्कत. Okay? Thank you.